about how to fix Instagram direct message not working. For that, we need to go to uh, Play Store and update your Instagram account. Uh, I was going to Play Store and I was updating Instagram account. After updating, you need to click on Instagram account app and scroll down. Here you will see the symbol of app support. Click on that. Here we need to click on email. So just once. After that, you need to type the subject. What the subject is, Instagram direct message was not working. After that, you need to compose the mail. What is the compose mail is, my Instagram ID, your Instagram ID and your Instagram like which mail or which phone number was connected to that. You need to give that. After that, you need to type a message. My Instagram direct message is not working, so please help me. You need to, like that, you need to give a message for that. So after that, you need to click on here symbol of send. So within 12 hours or 24 hours, they will definitely rectify your problem. Thank you.